The gaming niche is one of the largest niches on YouTube, with more people joining every single day. Gamers have hopes and dreams of making money on YouTube playing their favorite game, but they don't meet the requirements of joining the YouTube Partner Program. In order to join the YouTube Partner Program and get paid for the ads that show up in the beginning, middle, and end of the videos, gamers need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which can feel impossible, especially if you're just getting started. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make $3,000 or more per month in the gaming niche without having 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Now, this video is going to be comprised of two parts. Part number one are going to be content ideas that you could use today, and part number two are going to be the different ways that you can monetize. So if you want to make $3,000 or more playing your favorite video game, make sure you watch this entire video. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt, and I make YouTube videos that help you turn your YouTube channel into an online business that has multiple revenue streams. I've been making money on the internet for almost 10 years, so I know exactly what it takes to launch a successful online business. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, let's go ahead and get into part number one, which are content ideas. Now, first and foremost, I do not think that you should be making Let's Play videos. Let's Play videos or Let's Play Together type videos are not great videos for people that are just beginning, because no one knows who you are, you don't have any credibility, and quite honestly, why would someone watch you if you haven't earned that right? Now that we have the hard part out of the way, let's go ahead and talk about some videos that you should be making as a complete beginner. One of the best types of videos to make are simply product reviews on the products that you're using. You can make product reviews for the headset that you're using, or if you're using a special controller, or even the gaming chair that you're sitting in. Those are all great product review videos. If you want to get traction faster, I recommend doing product reviews on the latest gaming equipment. For example, if they come out with a new super high-tech gaming chair, make videos on that gaming chair, because A, you're going to be able to earn affiliate commissions, which I'll explain a little bit later, and B, you're going to be talking directly to your target audience. Another great type of video to make as a complete beginner are simply comparison videos. I call this X versus Y. What you're going to do is you're going to find two types of products, maybe they're headsets, or maybe they're even microphones, gaming microphones, and you're going to compare them. You're going to compare them, talk about the pros and cons, and then at the very end, you're going to make recommendations. Now again, you are going to be targeting people that are interested in the gaming niche. You're going to be able to earn what's called affiliate commissions. Again, I'll explain that in just a moment, but you're going to be building a community of people that know, like, and trust you for gaming-based content. The third type of content that I think you should make are how-to videos, where you're teaching people how to do something. For example, back in the summer, a brand new game called College Football 25 came out. It was brand new. Many people had never played college football on their PlayStation before, and so they went to the internet, they went to YouTube, and they asked basic questions like how to kick a field goal, how to run the option. These are all different examples of content ideas that are on YouTube right now. Now, you as the content creator, you're going to create videos that actually help people solve a problem. The best part about this is you're going to be targeting people that are also interested in your game. You're going to be building a community of people that know, like, and trust you because you've helped them solve a problem, and you're going to be able to grow much faster so that eventually you can play the Let's Play or Let's Chat Together type videos. Now, in order to find these how-to type videos, you're simply going to type in how-to _ and then the name of the game that you want to play. And the great thing about this is you're going to get suggestions based on YouTube's algorithm as to the searches that people are actually making. And then if you want to take this a step further, you're going to go to before the underscore, and then you're going to start typing in each letter of the alphabet. Let me show you, because that can be kind of confusing. So if we jump into my computer here, I'm simply going to type in how to _ in college football 25. Now, if you look at this, it says how to recruit in college football 25, how to kick, how to transfer, how to pass. These are all different pieces of content you could create to get in front of your target audience. But if we wanted to take this a step further, we could actually go up here, press the underscore again, and then go through each letter of the alphabet. So Q, how to QB slide, how to QB scramble. You could essentially create these videos. How to W, how to win more, how to wear a ski mask in college football 25. These are all questions that people in your community or potential viewers and subscribers are actually looking up, where you can answer their questions and you can start building a community. How to enable play selection. So this would actually work. Again, instead of college football 25, just enter in whatever game you want to play. This literally works for any and every game. Comment down below which game you plan on playing for your YouTube channel. Alright, so now that we have gone over the different content ideas, let's talk about how you can actually make money. And in my opinion, there are 3 great ways that you can make money without being a part of the YouTube Partner Program. First and foremost, it's the one that I mentioned before, affiliate marketing. And with affiliate marketing, you are simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. And the way that it works is you are going to find relevant affiliate programs, you're going to apply to join those programs, and once you're accepted, you're going to get a unique URL called an affiliate link, and you can put that affiliate link right in the description of your videos. You could become an affiliate for like your gaming headsets, you could be an affiliate for the streaming software if you're streaming, gaming chairs, the games, of course, the PlayStation, literally anything that has to do with your gaming setup, you could be an affiliate for and earn commission. The second way that you could potentially make money is actually by creating and selling digital products. Now, I don't know how old you are, but back when I was young, we used to go to Kmart, and in the electronics aisle, they used to have little gaming guides for like Mortal Kombat. And inside of those gaming guides, they would have all of the button combinations for finishing moves, they would have the different specialties, and so on. Essentially, what you could do is you could create a similar guide. Because you are going to help people solve a problem quicker, faster, and end their frustration, they could buy that gaming guide from you. And you can actually create that gaming guide using a Google Doc, 100% for free. You could also use a software or system called G-Bolt Systems to actually sell your digital products fast and relatively inexpensive. But as I mentioned, you could put together simple guides. These are step-by-step processes to help people solve a problem. If we are thinking about the college football example, you could put together a step-by-step guide on how to turn a 1-star program into a dynasty that gets all of the 5-star recruits. The second way that you could actually make money with digital products is actually creating tutorials. Basically, you're going to create a course or a mini course that solves a specific problem. Instead of making a guide that shows people how to create a dynasty, you could actually create a full-length course walking people through this process step by step. If you want to learn more on how to create an online course for your YouTube channel, comment online course down below and I'll actually make a video just for you. The third way that you could make money with your gaming channel is actually by creating memberships. The great thing with memberships is that they can actually create reoccurring monthly income for your business. And basically what reoccurring monthly income means is that you're going to get paid every single month by the same people as long as they are happy and they're satisfied. And you can do this a few different ways. One way to do it is by creating a Patreon. A second way is by creating a paid Discord. And the third way is actually by creating a paid school community. Now, what you'd want to do with this membership is, again, help people solve a specific problem. If they're playing college football, you're going to continuously help them achieve a result, whether it's playing online or playing Dynasty. If you want people to stay in the membership longer, you have to continuously help them. That might require doing live workshops or trainings. That might be offering additional planners or templates or tutorials, anything required to help them matriculate. Now that you know how you can make $3,000 per month within the gaming niche without having 1,000 subscribers, watch this video next because YouTube says it's going to help your YouTube channel grow.